Okay, so this is our senior project. I'm sending clothes to it that you can't see. Okay, there it is. Send. Sending. We're gonna send soon.
Okay, sent it.
Sent it. Lock is closed. Alright. Got a response back. This says door locked. Now I'm sending open. Being sent. And my phone sucks. Still sucks.
That's alright, just give it a minute.
Give it a second.
It'll send.
There we go. And it's locked. And now, waiting for a response. It'll come back any day now.
When you put it on camera, it takes forever.
I know. That's this corner. Alright. Well, as that's sending one back, I'm going to ask it the status. Okay. Send. And in a second, it'll tell me both unlocked and door is unlocked. Okay. Boom. Next. Status is door unlocked.
Great.
Done. Capiche.